Okay, students, now we have reached a very interesting section of this chapter here, okay, uh, in which you have to calculate the amount of capital to be brought in by a new partner, okay. Uh, Let us see that how we will continue. But till now, you have already understand how to calculate a revaluation account, partner's capital account, and the adjustments regarding investment fluctuation reserve and all. So I will not be giving the stress on this area, okay? But my main focus zone will be on the calculation of the partner's capital. I mean the new partner's capital, okay? So let us proceed now. So in this question number 67, A and B are the partners, old partners, okay, and their old profit sharing ratio is 2 is to 1, that is 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. And C comes in the business for one third share. So whenever a partner comes in for one third share, his remaining share will be 2 by 3, isn't it? So this 2 by 3 will be shared by A and B as it is. And you can see here this is multiplied by 3, both numerator and denominators, so that the denominators can be equal. And we calculate the sacrificing ratio, which will be 2 is to 1. You know how to calculate this revaluation account, isn't it? So I will skip this portion. Now let us see this part. Write buy balance BD from the balance sheet. Write buy cash because we have cash here, but leave the amount. This amount should be blank here because we don't know. This is our main problem area of this question. Rest are okay, rest are as it is, okay, just like the previous ones only. Only this adjustment is a new adjustment here. So we will focus in this adjustment. Okay, so we write by cash, but do not write the amount. That is why this is highlighted with yellow color. Okay, do not write the amount. Now go on. Write by premium for goodwill. C is bringing 30,000 as his share of premium for goodwill, which will be shared between A and B as per their sacrificing ratio. So the total will be 1 lakh 60,000 here. Okay, B's will be 1 lakh 30,000, and we have loss of 15,000. That is 10,000 for A and 5,000 for B. So you do the calculation, you get the amount 1 lakh 50,000, and for B you get the amount 1 lakh 25,000. This 1 lakh 50,000 and 1 lakh 25,000 is the adjusted capital of A and B. Okay, till now if there is any problem here, you can rewind the video, or there's nothing actually in this video, but you watch the previous videos. Okay, now we will look at this 1,37,500. Okay, see, uh, till now, like whatever with sums we did, 64, 65, 66. Okay, whatever was the amount of capital that is brought in by the partner, okay, uh, it used to represent his share of capital, isn't it? But here we have to uh, do the calculation from the side of old partners capital. So whatever be the adjusted capital of the old partners will represent the portion uh, that is two-third, okay, because C is coming for one-third share, isn't it? So the remaining portion is how much? Two-third, isn't it? So whatever is the total adjusted capital of the old partners will represent the remaining share. You can see here. See, the adjusted capital of A and B is 1,50,000 and 1,25,000. So the total will be 2,75,000, isn't it? Now C comes in for how much of share? One third share. C is coming for one third share. So how much is the remaining part? Remaining part is two third. We have already done this in the new ratio also. This 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3, 2 by 3. You can see here. So this 2 by 3 is the remaining part. So which represents the capital of old partners A and B. Okay. Now we have to find the total capital of the firm. So in order to find the total capital, we know that we have to do the reciprocal of the fraction, isn't it? So the total capital will be 4,12,500, isn't it? This is the total capital. So C is coming for how much of share? C is coming for one third share. So one third of 4,12,500 will be 1,37,500. So now we know the amount, so we can write the amount here. 1,37,500 here. Total will be same. Okay. Again, I am repeating this adjusted capital, this balance CD. Okay, this balance CD is the adjusted capital of A and B, the old partners, isn't it? C is a new partner. Now C comes in for one third share. Okay, the remaining share will is how much? Two third share. Okay, the total adjusted capital of old partners represent the remaining portion of the capital. That is two third. Okay, so we find the total capital 4,12,500 and C comes in for one third share. So this is how we calculate the amount of capital of new partner. Balance sheet is very simple. We know that. Okay, I will explain this cash portion. This cash balance is already 70,000 in the firm. 1,37,500 is the amount of capital brought in by C, and this 30,000 is the premium for goodwill.